Alright, so here I sit, the primordial chaos of things unshaped, that intense beginning from which anything is possible. I just bought a small house here in the old district of Yangzhou, Jiangsu, China, a place that's been around for 2,000 years. This district where people have walked in, lived in for millennia. This is an incredible opportunity to take an old house that's been nearly forgotten, neglected, and change it into that dream studio space that I want for the empty cup. My name is Derek Poskin. I've been living here in China for almost a decade now. I've been buying and selling tea and teaware and getting
Alright
deep into
guys, here
Chinese
we are
culture.
imaging my mouse
And
here.
this is the culmination of a lot of my dreams here. Spent all of my life savings to do this, buy this husk of a house. And we're gonna fix it up into the perfect tea studio I can possibly imagine. So I want to take you all with me on that journey, so let's begin.